Okay, guys, I see many of you have joined. We can start. Can someone please confirm if my screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay, great. So I hope you guys got till here, right? That why are we getting this error? This is not because of name, but because of the range. Okay. Uh, Fine. So let's edit this. So if in interview, if anyone is asking that what is the lowest CIDR block can you use in Azure? That is 29. Right? That does not mean we do not have the lowest CIDR block. In actual environment, on-prem, you can use 30 also. In 30, you will get maybe five servers, but there they don't have the concept of five block IPs, right? In on-prem environment, they just need two, 00 and 255. So they get -2. Here it is -5. But in Azure, and in fact in AWS and GCP also, we don't have to worry about them though. Lowest we can use is 29. So I'm naming it as UT-Kloud subnet, UT-Kloud VNet, UT-Kloud subnet, just for your understanding. I'm using this. Let's save them. Create this virtual network. Then we'll create another virtual network. How many types of VNet peering do we have? This is a very common question interviewers ask. Anyone knows how many types of virtual network peering do we have? It is called VNet peering, virtual network peering. How many types?
Global peering. I think
Yes.
two.
So the answer is, guys, global VNet peering and local VNet peering. Right? Now, in practical, I'm showing you global VNet peering. There is not a single steps different. Point one का भी difference नहीं है. The only difference is when your two virtual networks are in same region, it is called local VNet peering, not resource group, not subscription, guys. Same region, it is called local VNet pairing. Different region, it is called global VNet pairing. Other than that, steps, everything, concept, everything is same. Everything is same. Not a single change here and there. So let's say these two we are discussing about. I've created one VNet. It's ready. Now let's go ahead and create second VNet. First, let me quickly check this. Okay, so we have this one. We have one subnet. We can check subnet here also. We can come here and check subnets here also. We can check address space here. See how many IPs I have, available IPs? Only three. Total, we were getting
Three.
eight minus five, three. So if my requirement was to use four machine, this was not a suitable. But in this case, it is suitable because I need only one machine, right? Now I'm creating next virtual network. Let's call it Tsoft virtual network. Now, can I create another virtual network with the same address space? Is it possible?
Yes, we can create.
Okay, we can create. Uh, will I be able to do the VNet pairing if they are in same range?
No, it won't work because they both are in same network, same using.
Actually, we will be able to do it. Technically, we will be able to do it. But then there is no concept or there is no method that you can check which machine is pinging which machine. For example, here I have taken 10 address space. This is my subnet under UT-Kloud. And if I create first machine here, guys, if I create a machine under this VNet, under this subnet, what will be the IP address of my machine?
Dot four.
Dot four. Now I have taken the same range and everything same here and I create a machine here. What will be the what will be the IP of that machine?
Dot four.
Dot four. Have you tried pinging your own IP without doing anything, without subnetting, without VNet peering, without anything? Have you tried creating your own IP?
No.
Anyone tried that, guys?
No.
Let's see that. This is my local computer. By the way, in Windows, it works. Small caps or small or caps or anything. Linux, it's very case sensitive. My IP is 192.168.16.1. Ping. What's happening? It is pinging. Your local IP will always ping. You don't have to do anything. It's your local address. It will always ping. So now you tell me if you have one machine here with 10.10.10.4, another machine here with 10.10.10.4, right? Or 10.0.0.4, same IP. Before doing VNet pairing, will they ping same IP? If you ping 10.10.10.4 from a machine 10.10.10.4, will it ping or not?
Yes, it will ping.
So
It will
is there
ping.
any method you can check after VNet pairing? Even after VNet pairing, if you ping 10.10.10.4, how would you know whether you're pinging your local machine or are you pinging the other machine? Right? And this is very small example. This is just ping. Later, files. If I have a file at 10.10.10.4 slash C drive slash system slash Windows 32, this exact file is available both the servers, right? So that is the reason you will never see this is happening. While planning the network, they make sure that IPs are not conflicting. Technically you will be able to connect the VNet, but it will be a chaos. It's practically it's not usable. It's not you can't make any actual utilization out of it. Technically VNet pairing will be done, and I think that will also give error nowadays. I saw. Well, let's try that. First, we'll do the actual practical and then we'll try it. So let me create another virtual network. So you guys saw how do I create virtual network? This one I'll create with virtual machine. I'll create the another virtual network while creating the virtual machine. We're creating the second set of in this case. Go to virtual machine. I'm selecting uh, same resource group so I can delete it. If you guys are doing in a pair, two different people, resource group doesn't matter at all. Virtual machine name, I'm calling it as tsoft vnet. Sorry, tsoft vm. This is VM I'm creating for now. That one I've created in East US2. I want to do a global VNet pairing, so I'm creating this in West India or wherever. Other than East US2, any availability zone? No, that's not our point here. Standard. Let's take a Windows machine here. What do you think? Will I be able to ping from Windows to Linux? What do you think? I'm not taking this region, by the way. I don't have sufficient resources here. Let's see if I have something else. Yes, guys. Will I be able to ping from Windows to Linux? Does that work? Anyone? Yes? No? Maybe? What do you think?
I think it will work.
It will work. Yes, guys. Obviously, you can't have this limitation that you all use Windows server. These servers, they will talk to each other. Okay, I just need to check another region where I have sufficient size available other than East US2. If nothing works, I'll go with East US, but I was trying to take something else other than US. Let's see if I have it in, uh, looks like we have it here. So my Tsoft VM, it is in UAE. My UT-Kloud VM, it is in East US2 network. First network we created directly virtual network. There we haven't created a virtual machine yet. Here we are creating a virtual network while creating a machine. You could have taken just simply like that, or here I'm just coming and changing this. So tsoft vnet cider, I can take anything. Even if I want this one, it's okay, right? I can take anything, but I'll go ahead with the smallest. Can I take 10 range, IP of 10 range? Technically, is it possible?
Yes, we can
10.0,
take.
it is possible, but it will not give me any method to cross verify my uh, practical. So I'm going ahead with 172.16. Uh, if I ignore the cider, what class of IP it is? Yes,
Class
Class
guys,
B.
B.
class B.
Class B.
Yes. Is it a private IP or public IP range?
Private.
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 Yes. I hope this is clear. At this stage, what class of IP it is? Look at the screen, not emitting anything. Not.
Classless.
It is a classless
Classless.
IP.
Class.
So let's go ahead and maybe we'll just rename the subnet also. Yeah, guys, are you getting it? Other than people who are answering, sorry, you didn't see the name, but I heard only two voices. Is it clear to everyone? Class B IP, private IP, and the one moment we are using it with Cider, it is a classless IP. I hope this point is
Yes.
clear to everyone.
Yes.
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 Next, I don't have to see anything. I'll simply just go ahead and create it. Auto shutdown, etc. Nothing I have to check because the moment it is done, I'm going to delete these machines. I'll simply just go ahead and delete the resource group so I don't have to worry about it. While this machine is being created, we'll go ahead and create a machine over there also. So this machine is being created. We created a VNet while creating a machine. Okay. Let's go ahead and create a virtual machine here and use an existing VNet which we have. A Windows machine is being created here. We'll create a Linux machine here. This is just to show you from next practical onwards, mostly I'll rely on Linux machine. They're fast to create. But you guys, if you're comfortable, stick to Windows. If you're comfortable, then only move to Linux. In Windows, one thing you need to remember, it's you have to uh, shut down the firewall, turn off the firewall. Linux, I don't have to do that. Okay. So can I take any resource group and use that VNet, guys? Or do I have to go with the same resource group?
We can take any resource group.
Any
We have to
resource.
go with same resource group
Okay. Now let me
as the
elaborate
unit.
the question. Here I am logged in as Suhail.Khan to that live.in. I have owner access at subscription level. Now my question is, I'm creating a virtual machine in under this AI speech resource group, and my VNet is in some other resource group, and I'm making sure both of them are in same region. Do I have to take same resource group or no?
No.
Yes, Shaheen, are you still on your answer, or do you want to change your answer now?
Actually, I did not get the answer. What you said.
You didn't get the question?
Yes.
My question is that I am logged into the subscription as an owner. I have the owner right at the subscription. I'm creating a virtual machine named UT-Kloud. Guys, if you do not get the question, please ask me to repeat. Right? UT-Kloud VM. I'm using a resource group named AI Speech. My VNet, which I want to use, that is in some different resource group. Will it work, or do I have to use the same resource group? That is my question.
It will work.
Okay. Now, same question applies to you. You are logged into your subscription. You are creating a virtual machine, right? You're creating a virtual machine in your own resource group,
Okay.
and you want to use a virtual network, which Mehruz has created in her resource group. Can you do that?
No, I can't because I don't have any access over there in her resource group.
Yes, that's the only difference, guys. If you have sufficient access, you can use it. But in your case, you will not be able to use it. Why? Because your resource, you have access limited to your resource group. So if you are using someone's VNet, what does it mean? You're using their subnet. You're utilizing something. You're making changes to that. Do you have access to make any changes to their resource group? No, you have only view access. Will you be able to see her VNet?
Yes, I
Yes, you
can.
will be able to see. Why? Because you have reader access at subscription level. So I hope this
Yes.
is clear to everyone, guys. By the way, I'm doing it in the
Yes.
same resource group. The only reason it is easier for me to delete. Now, can I go ahead and check any region? My wish.
No, East US 2
Why is 2s2? Because I'm
because
coming here, I
we
want to use
created
that particular VNet,
VNet.
right?
Yes.
And that VNet is in East US2, so I have to use East US2. Windows, it is case, it's not case sensitive. You write tap out user uppercase or lowercase, it's same thing. Linux, it is case sensitive. Uppercase tap out means something else, lowercase tap out means something else. Under networking, is this correct, guys? As per my planning, what I was planning to do, is this correct? Shall I click next? Read the screen and let me know. I told you already what I'm trying to achieve here.
No, we need to select the
Other than
created
cause,
new.
anyone else? What is missing here? What do I have to do? Yes, Irshad, Ghazala, Mehrooz, Rizwan, Sana, Surbhi, Vedant. I hope you guys still now you guys clear that what I'm trying to achieve here, what have we planned to do. So as per our plan, am I going correct? Should I click next or do I have to make any changes here? Yes, guys. Yes, no, maybe.
We need to select the VNet which were we created
VNet,
before
VNet we need
earlier.
to select.
I think who answered? Gauss, you answered?
Yes, bhai.
Yeah, I was expecting someone else. Guys, what's happening? Are you not getting it? Confused? What is it?
So VNet, that we need to select it, virtual network.
Yes,
It's
the
it's
one which we
creating new
created.
virtual network.
Moment you see new in the bracket, it's clear that it is creating a new. What did we plan that we are going to use? The one which I have created. That is the reason I came to East US2, right? I wanted to use this VNet. So here it is. Even if I create new, my practical will be fine, right? It doesn't matter. But what we planned as per our build sheet, we have to stick to that. Here it is. And I'm still taking RDP. Sorry, I'm still keeping the public IP, guys, right? We'll come to public IP later. Why am I doing public IP as of now? Because I have to take remote to those computers.
To access the
Unless I take
VNet.
the remote, I will not be able to perform the practical or show you something. So create. Now our Linux machine is being created. Windows machine has been created. Let's uh, go to your resource. Meanwhile, anyone using laptop, can you guys create two VNet with the same range, 10.0.0.0, same CIDR, everything same. Just name it as a VNet 1 and VNet 2 in your resource group and leave it. I'll show you later what needs to be done. Any one of you can do it and just leave it in your resource group. And if it's if there is already one VNet, just create another one with the same range. Or maybe we already have it. Just check your resource, your subscription. If there are two VNets with the same range, just let me know. After doing the practical successfully, we are going to test if we can do the VNet pairing when the ranges are same. So either just check your resource, your subscription, even if they are in different resource group, it doesn't matter. So as of now, I am trying to log in to my Windows machine. So here it is, my Windows machine. I'm waiting for my Linux machine to be created. It's ready. Look at this, Linux gets created quickly. How do we log into Linux machine, guys?
With the help
Can
of
I?
PuTTY.
With the help of putty.
Yes. You can't use RDP over there, right?
The protocol is used SSH.
Yes. What's the port number?
Port number 22, I guess.
22. Yes. What is the port number for RDP, guys?
3389.
389.
So this is putty. Like we have RDP for Windows machine, this is putty for Linux machine. This is the IP I'm typing. This is port. In sorry, Windows machine, we don't have to specifically mention port number because RDP understands that if you're coming through RDP tool, it has to be 3389. You're not typing it over there, but uh, it is by default it is there. So I'm logged in to my Linux machine also. Here it is. Not discussing the Linux commands. We are not doing the Linux classes here. So if you're not comfortable with Linux, don't worry, ignore it. You can have both the machines of Windows. When I give you a practical, I'm not looking at the OS. I don't mind whether you're using this one or that one. I don't care. What I need is your two machines should be in different VNets and they are pinging to each other. That's all I'm looking for. Because in actual environment, you never have to go and do all these things. So here it is. This is my Windows machine. What is the IP address of my machine, Windows machine, guys?
.4
Complete IP address,
0
please.
dot 4.
Complete IP
172.16.0.4.
172. So now
Dot
let's
16.0.4.
let's ping it. One ping 172.16.0.4. So now imagine if I had the same IP address here, और यह दोनों जगह 10 हो जाता, right? If both had 10, then there was no way I can check. It's already pinging. After doing the VNet peering also, it will ping. So how would I know? So this is my, sorry, there is a typo.
With the help of hostname.
Let's check the IP address of this one. Meanwhile, what is the IP address of this machine? It is 10.0.0.0.4.
10.0.
So now the practical here is that my Tsoft VM should be able to communicate with my UT-Kloud VM. What is the IP address of my Tsoft? 172.16.0.4. And the IP address of this 10.0.0.4. So let's ping 10.0.0.4. This is a normal ping. The moment I put -T, it will ping continuously, whether fail or pass. That's a different thing. Okay? I'm doing it purposely because I want to show you that after VNet pairing, how it changes. So I'm pinging here. Is it connected? Looking at the reply, what do you think?
No.
No,
Request
not
timeout.
connected.
No.
Sorry. So see, if I don't put this T, I'll just show it to you. If I don't put this T, what will happen? It will send 4 packets and then it will stop. 1, it will send 2, 3, and 4. Got it? Now I won't know whether it's connecting. Let's say someone is working in the background. So what will I have to do? Again, go and ping. Again, go and ping. So what I want to do is simply just use -t. It will continuously ping. Fail or
Continuously.
pass doesn't matter. This is a troubleshooting tool also. Let's say you're rebooting some server and you don't want to go to portal again and again and check whether the server is up or not. So what will you do? You will simply just ping that server, leave it, reboot the server. It will start failing. By the time server is up, it will automatically start pinging. That's specific to Windows, by the way. Linux, you don't require T. Now, from Linux, from UT-Kloud VM, I'm trying to ping my Tsoft 172.16.0.4. Is it pinging? Linux, by the way, won't give you any error. If it is successful, it will give you a reply. If it is not successful, it will just be like this. So in both cases, is there any communication, guys, in between these two servers?
No.
No.
So now let's go ahead and check how can we do that. Before that, do you think I'm missing on something before I go ahead and do the uh, net? Okay, I'll take that later. First, let's go ahead and start the VNet pairing. How do I do that? So I have to go to VNet. Okay, now I want these two machines to communicate. Which two? One machine is in Tsoft, the another one is in UT-Kloud. Right? So I want these two machines to talk to each other. Right? So I'll go to any of these. I click here on VNet. Right? Under VNet, once I click, I'll check all the details, subnet, etc. Everything is looks good. Okay, my connected device are here. Just make sure कि मैं किसी गलत को नहीं VNet peering कर दूं, data leak हो जाएगा, right? So just to be double sure, I'll come here, I'll check connected devices. Okay, this is the one. Yes, this is the one we are talking about. Yes, this is the address we are talking about. Fine, everything looks good. Go to VNet peering. Right? You go to VNet peering. Can anyone see peering? Where is it? Under which option do we
Above.
have peering? Under DNS, we have
Settings.
peering.
DNS.
Go to peering. Do you see any existing peering here?
No.
No.
We don't have.
Click on add. Now, where are you guys? I always tell you that look at the upper left hand corner to check where are you and upper right hand corner to check who are you. So where am I?
Tsoft VNet.
I'm on
Tsoft.
Tsoft VNet.
Tsoft VNet.
Right? So what is it saying? Remote virtual network summary. If I'm sitting on Tsoft, which is remote virtual network for me?
UT-Kloud.
UT-Kloud. So what is it saying? Peering link name. I'm giving the name that from UT-Kloud VNet to
Tsoft.
Tsoft VNet. By the way, it doesn't matter at all. I can give A to B, B to C, or I can write vice and versa. Just because I'm naming it like this, it's not going to change anything. Fine. Now, is it in different subscription? Did I create UT-Kloud VNet somewhere else and the other one in some other subscription? Is it the case? Or all of
No,
them are
same
in same
subscription.
subscription? As
Same
of now, all of them are
subscription.
same subscription. We'll do the cross subscription also, don't worry. We'll start from the basic. Fine. Virtual network. Which virtual network will I select here?
UT-Kloud.
UT-Kloud.
Yeah. No, not Tsoft. See, if I select Tsoft, what will happen?
We can't select the same network.
And why is it same network? Why is it saying same network?
So we are in same network.
Because we
Tsoft
are
VNet.
already on Tsoft. Can you guys see
Tsoft
this?
net.
We are
Yes.
already on
Yes.
Tsoft. So here we have to
Yes.
select the remote virtual network. Remote virtual network. So in this case, our remote virtual network is UT-Kloud. You'll see plenty of
UT-Kloud.
them. For you, remote is where you want to connect. Fine. Allow us to process Tsoft. Yes. Allow me to see. Check these two boxes as of now. What is it? Why is it? We'll do that later. Fine. As of now, check these two boxes. Now, What does it say? Local VNet pairing. Which is local VNet for us?
Tsoft now.
Tsoft. So now I'm going to put name. Now I'm working on my local Tsoft Tsoft to UT-Kloud. There I given the name UT-Kloud to Tsoft. Here the name is Tsoft to UT-Kloud. Is it clear, guys? We are working on local now. Do I have to select a VNet? I don't have the drop down to
We
select the VNet.
already in VNet.
Yes, we are already at the VNet, so we don't have to select. And the name, I told you, I can have A to B, B to C, right? Whatever I want to name. Just because I name it Tsoft to VNet doesn't make it Tsoft to VNet, right? I can name whatever I want. I can name 2AB, right? Anything, anything. Just because I'm naming it, it's not making it local. Because I'm on Tsoft VNet, I started this from Tsoft VNet, hence it is making it local. Just check these two boxes for now and these two boxes for now. Is this clear, guys, to everyone till here? What is the configuration? Yes, no, maybe?
Yes, bhai.
Click
Yes,
on
bhai.
add.
Yes.
Now you sat on one VNet, fill the information for two of them, but it is making changes for two of them. You're sitting on one VNet. Earlier days, I had to go to that VNet separately, and I had to go to this VNet separately and repeat the process. But Azure has evolved now. Look at this. I did it for one, but where is it happening? This is happening on two VNets. Getting my point, guys? I worked on one VNet, but it is making connection at the both side. Why? Because I sat on the local and I did it for remote also. So now if I go ahead and check my, we are on Tsoft, right? So if I go ahead and check my UT-Kloud VNet, what do you think? Will I see any peering there or not?
Yes, we can see.
Yes, it
We will
will.
see, right? So let's go ahead and check. Now, same thing. Can Shaheen do this sitting on her VNet? Can she perform the complete end-to-end practical on Mehruz's resource group? Is it possible?
No,
Why
No.
not?
because I don't have any access at
Access.
Mehru's
Yes, you don't
resource.
have any access on her virtual network. Getting it, guys? So now, still you guys want to collaborate and do it. What you will have to do?
Need to
Mehruz,
give
where
access
will
on
you
virtual
give the,
network.
let her answer. Let's say Mehruz, Shaheen wants to do a collaboration with you and do the practical. By the way, look at this. Here also peering. We did it there, but we can see it at the both one. It is fully synchronized. It is connected. Right here also it is fully synchronized. It is connected. We'll see the results on server. Before that, yes, Mehruz. If Shaheen wants to collaborate with you, she has created her own VNet. She has created her own machine. You have done the same, different IPs, everything. You tried pinging with each other. It's not pinging. Now one of you wants to do the VNet pairing, right? So Shaheen is taking the lead and she wants to do the VNet pairing. What level of access will you give to her and at what scope?
I guess contributor access
Where?
at subscription level. No, at
Can you give
resource
her
group level.
access? Can you give her
No,
access
I can't.
subscription level? Of
No,
course you can't. Resource
no,
group
no,
level,
I
yes.
can't.
Technically, answer is
Yes.
correct. But is it uh, the moment you give her contribution access at resource group level, can she not come and delete your virtual machine also?
Yes, she can.
So what about the principle of least privilege access? What about that? Zed, let her answer. Okay, Zed, you can also try. Where will you give access? Let's say Zed, Shaheen is practicing with you, right? You both have VNet and everything. So where will you give her
At
access?
the virtual network level.
Yes. So your answer is correct, Mehruz. Just instead of resource group, give her access on
Okay.
VNet. Why to give unnecessary extra access, right? So I hope you guys got it now. So whenever you guys do the
Yes.
collaboration, follow this. Now let's go ahead and check if they are pinging to each other or not. Now look at this. What's happening, guys? Is the communication has been established, both machines pinging each other or not?
No.
One
Yes,
machine
they
is
are pinging.
pinging. One machine is pinging.
So the communication from my Windows machine, right, from Tsoft is going to my UT-Kloud VM. But from UT-Kloud, it is not coming to my TSOF, to my Windows machine. Anyone, any guess why is it happening?
We need to disable the firewall in
Firewall.
Windows.
Simple. I hope you guys are getting the point, right? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, no, maybe, guys. What's happening there? Because this one, your operating system, Windows operating system, it is blocking the incoming traffic. And why is it blocking? Because your firewall is on. And what you need to do, you need to turn off the firewall. So that is the reason. See, this command I have given everywhere in all my practicals to make sure that whenever you're creating a machine, I'm not sure if you guys are using it or not. And to cross verify this, I'll have to log into your machine, which even I'm not doing it, to be very honest. But this is just for your understanding. So why are we doing this? So we don't have to do it extra step. You put this script while creating the machine, it will be done. Even if you don't do it there, at least do it later. Now I have turned off the firewall. Look at this. The moment I did it, what do you see?
Pinging.
Pinging.
And this machine is also pinging. This is your global VNet peering. What is local VNet peering? Let's say same example, everything is same. In my resource group, VNet peering resource group, this resource group is in East US, and the other resource group, it's in uh, okay, let me fine. This is clear. Let me put this question here. Let's say same example. My VNet one is in East US, VNet 2 West US. Resource group, same resource group. By the way, is this possible? My resource group is in East US, and I want to have these two VNets in my resource group. Is it possible?
Yes, is it possible?
It is possible, guys, right? Resource group ka region, it's not impacting anything. It is just symbolic. It is just symbolic, right? We'll continue this. We are about to finish this session. Do you guys need a break?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's resume at 1:30. 7 minutes. I'm stopping the session now.